2011 Blizzard. It's real out here. They should know the shit about the cover.
Look how warm KIPPA is.
Look at the KIPPA.
Where I'm out here, man.
Okay.
Word, man.
Look like motherfucking, what's the nigga be in the X Games? What's his name? Duke that won the gold medal? Look at my man Smooth. He too smooth to be out here. Come on, man. You serious?
550.
Yo, he too smooth to be out here. What's wrong with him?
Shit's crazy, man.
Come on, man. Shit live. What? I'm in a Blizzard. Look, man. I got a motherfucking Adidas jacket on. Look at me. I'm dead wrong right now. I don't even care. I'm dead wrong right now. I don't even care. This shit popping, nigga. This shit look like Cocaine City out here. Look. Look. What? Colombians be rich off this shit right here. Nah. Well, we damn sure can play football on a lot, yeah.
I wanted a lot tomorrow to play football by myself.
Oh, yeah, I'm with it. I ain't gonna front. Look. It's got the nice little hole, like, nah, we from Brooklyn anyway, so shit like this is regular. You were. Look, my man 550. Okay, you see it. You see my man through the loophole. Fuck you talking about.
Nah, Treevy shit in there.
Fuck you talking about. Niggas is crazy. Niggas is crazy. Niggas is crazy, man. Word, man. So anybody got a football or whatever, holler at me, man. Come to the block. Look. This shit look pretty out here. Come to the block. We out here and play mad football together.
15 versus 12, man. So what up, man?
We'll bust your ass. You crazy? Word, them niggas don't want outside. Right on, kid. What? They busting their ass. Right on, boy. You talking about what?
Nah, man. 15 versus 12, man.
Word, look at this shit. Beautiful, y'all. Look, man. Shit, what's up, man? Look. Look at the street. Street popping. Look. This shit's ridiculous. I am out here, dead in the middle of it. I don't give a fuck. It's damn near 2 in the morning. What? I'm out here. I don't give a fuck. Look at this shit. This shit is pretty. What the fuck you talking about? It's crazy. Shit live out here. Look, the trucks getting through. Plows and all that, they getting through now. Before, them niggas was looking crazy. Word. My 2010 update, they was on the corner all night. Word. They getting through now. They ain't playing. So, Bloomberg, you ain't such a jerk after all. But fuck you, though.
Yo, no one see me jump through the thing, though.
I mean, so, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute, though, man. Hit me up on Clee Fresh TV, YouTube. Yep. I mean, follow me on Twitter at Clee Quatermaine. Hit me up on Facebook. Clee Quatermaine. Holler at me, man. You already know.